Want to take back control of your online privacy but still prefer using Google Chrome? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open DuckDuckGo seamlessly in Chrome, and even set it as your default search engine. By the end, you'll be searching the web with greater privacy, without switching browsers or losing any of your usual Chrome features. Let's jump right in and make browsing more private with just a few quick tweaks. So, first things first, open up Chrome as you usually would. Now, to change your search engine, we need to access the Settings menu. You'll find this by looking towards the top right corner of your Chrome window. There's a little icon that looks like 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More or Menu button. Go ahead and click right there. Nothing tricky here, it's just the way Chrome organizes all your options. These dots are your gateway to customizing how Chrome works for you. Once the menu pops up, you'll see a range of choices. What we want is Settings. Give that a click. You'll be taken to a new page with lots of options, but don't worry about the clutter. You're looking for Search Engine in the sidebar or main list. If you don't see it immediately, just take a moment to scan. It may be halfway down the sidebar, depending on your version or if Chrome has updated since you last checked. When you select Search Engine, Chrome will show you which search provider it's currently using, most likely Google by default. But we want DuckDuckGo instead, so let's move on to the next step. You'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. This is key because whatever you select here becomes the default for every search you type straight into Chrome's Omnibar, the address bar at the top, where you usually enter web addresses or questions. Click the drop-down, and you'll see several options: Google, Bing, maybe Yahoo, and sometimes more. Look out for DuckDuckGo. Its logo is a cute little duck in a red circle. Just click on it. If you don't see DuckDuckGo listed right away, Chrome may need a moment to refresh, or you might have to visit DuckDuckGo.com once in your browser to populate the option. Don't worry, this is a normal hiccup for some users, and DuckDuckGo should appear shortly after a quick visit. Once you select DuckDuckGo from the dropdown, you've just made it your default search engine. So what does this actually mean? Well, anytime you type a search query straight into the Chrome address bar, whether it's something simple like best pizza near me or something more specific, all those results will come directly from DuckDuckGo, not Google. DuckDuckGo is well known for not storing your personal data or tracking your search history. So this switch is a simple way to add a little more privacy to your everyday browsing. It's worth pausing for a moment here. You're still using Chrome, with all your bookmarks, extensions, and favorite settings. The only real change is that your searches are now going through DuckDuckGo instead. If you ever want to switch back, just repeat these steps and choose another provider in the drop-down menu. There's no limit to how many times you can change your search engine, so feel free to experiment until you find what suits you best. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've boosted your privacy without sacrificing the Chrome experience you know and like. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It honestly helps the channel a lot. And if you have any questions, ran into any issues, or want tips on other privacy tools, drop me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward tech guides and how-tos just like this. Thanks for watching and happy private browsing.